Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, traditional trading analysis requires staring at charts for hours and hours, learning complex technical indicators, and trying to spot patterns before they even disappear. But what if you could describe what you want to analyze? Find me a buy signal using a VWAP, for example, and a moving average crossovers, and have an IA or AI do it for you. That's exactly what Gemini can do when connected to trading data by combining Gemini with some specialized data servers and charting tools. You can create an AI-powered equity research assistant that pulls real-time market data, generates technical charts, and even produces comprehensive investment reports. So in this guide, I will show you how to set up a trading analysis system using Gemini, Python, and the model context protocol. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, what we want to understand is the architecture. The trading analysis system has three main components. Gemini, Clay, the AI agent that basically orchestrates everything. We have the data MCP. It's a server that provides real-time financial data including prices, statements, ratios, and all of this. Then we have the chart MCP, a server that generates technical charts like candlesticks, volume, and indicators. So this whole architecture allows Gemini to access live market data and create visual charts just like a human analyst would. Now it's time to actually install and configure dependencies. So before you can use the trading analysis system, you need to install the required tools. Ensure Python 3.8 is fully installed. Then install the Gemini Play tool. See the official Google documentation. You can also install Data MCP server from GitHub and also install the Chart MCP server via npm. You will also need a Google Gemini API key from Google AI Studio, a Plus API key for financial data access. Then you should go and configure the Gemini settings.json file. The MCP servers need to be registered in your Gemini settings.json file. It's just basically small code that you need to copy or upload to replace the paths and API keys with your actual values. Then go ahead and create a structured analytical prompt. For the AI to produce useful trading analysis, you need to give it clear instructions like create a prompt.md file that defines the AI's role as a world-class equity research analysis. Your prompt should include fundamental analysis like financial health, income statement, balance sheets, technical analysis like price trends, moving averages, support resistance levels as well, all of this. We also have the industry analysis like competitive positioning, market trends, and actionable recommendation, buy, sell, or hold based on the data itself. Then, define your trading strategy in the JSON file. To evaluate a specific trading strategy, define it in a structured format. Basically, there is a code that you need to download or copy. Then you can create multiple strategy JSON files and have Gemini evaluate each one. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.